Hi, well, welcome back. We are finally ready to have our science experiment today. So you just read this science section of your book, and it was called What Plants Need, and we found out that plants need light, air, water, soil, and space to grow. So we are going to do a little experiment to see if we can actually make some seeds grow without soil. What do you think? Do you think it's going to be able to grow? Well, maybe these are magic beans. I don't know, just like Jack, right? We just read about Jack. So I have, and you have in your little bag, 3 pinto beans, okay? Now, you could do this with any kind of seeds, but I got pinto beans because they're supposed to grow pretty fast, okay? So I got those at the grocery store. You can actually eat those pinto beans. Now, sometimes people will soak them overnight before they plant them to soften them up, but the beauty of pinto beans is you don't even have to do that. So I'm gonna put my pinto beans right here. Inside your bag, you should also have a paper towel, okay? And your paper towel you're going to have folded over so that it can fit right into this bag. All right. And you're also going to need some tape, which I put into your packet as well. The only thing that you need to provide is some water. Now I only brought it over in a bowl. You can actually just do this right over underneath the tap at your sink, and that would work too. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our napkin. We're going to put it into the water. We're going to get it wet. We're going to gently squeeze it out and then gently open it back up. And let's see how these generic paper towels work. See if they hold together. All right, so here I have a nice wet paper towel. And I'm going to open up my bag and I'm going to put it inside so it's nice and flat. Okay, so it's nice and flat there. All right, so far so good. Now I'm going to take my 3 magic beans, my pinto beans, and I'm just going to lay them in here like that on top of the wet paper towel. And then I am going to seal up the bag. Ooh, almost spilled my bowl of water there. That would have been bad news. All right, so there we have it. There's only one step left, and that is to take your bag and take your tape, and you're going to take it to a window. Now, I'm actually doing this at night because I got a little behind schedule. And so I am going to be taping this onto my window here at night. And you want to make it so that the beans are facing you, okay, facing you. And I'm going to open my blinds there so I can get lots of sunlight coming in. I'm taping this onto my window. Just like that. Okay. And I'm just going to leave it there. And we're going to see what happens. We're going to see if those beans will start to sprout into a plant. Okay. Now remember, we do have water. There is some air in there. It will get sunlight. It does have some space in there. So we will see if it can grow without soil. Okay. Check that every day. And in the next few days, as you, I want you to keep me up to date on what's happening with your beans, okay? All right. I can't wait to see what happens. Maybe we'll have a great big beanstalk sprout. What do you think? Okay, well, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.